Yeah. I'm gonna regret saying this. Guess what's gonna? Yes, that's gone. I've got a hack for Clash of Clans. So happy. Infinite money hack. It's so good. I love it. Literally. Everything costs one. Except euros. So yeah. This is gonna be good. I pick up's great. No. No. Wait. It said no. It has another please. No. Well, okay, so it's on Google. Okay. 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 What do you mean to stop? What's happening? I'm not gonna get the game. So I just get a game. Okay. Bye for now. So I got Battle mod. So I've got a mod for it. No, don't say. I tap this and tap it. In fact, I have an idea. I'll get the video. What? Oh wait, sorry about that. I'm looking for a second. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause it now. So, I'm back and I've got the proper game now. Right, let's play. See, now it hasn't got that thing on it. It will take a while to actually. Wait. I'm gonna get back to you in a few minutes because I know what's gonna happen. So, bye for now. So, I'm back. Read this. Oh, amongst all the global issues, and that I don't really care. You guys might. I don't care right now. Why every single time does. Oh, yes, I agree. Next. That's why I don't play these types of games. Right. I'm just gonna pause this because this wants to know when you are and stuff, so let's just pause it. And I'm back. I just had to put in some private information. So, Battle Cats is basically. I'll show you. So, we tap enemy's face. We have a cap, and we spawn them in when we have 50 of them at the top. What's it? The top right. I'm being greedy. Right. Just let me get a cat. Watch this. Which cat is gonna win? Mine, which is responding as a cat. His is a think is a dog. Could be. Not saying it's not, but it could be. I just woke up. And yeah. And I'm gonna spawn in another cat. Because when there's two of them, two of these two cats struggle. When there's three, they can still do it. As in, like my cats. Because the third one doesn't get there in time. This is so. I have an idea. I'm gonna make a meat. That's basically a meat shield right now, but not when I get further into the game. Meat shields are basically where it's hard to get through. But later on in the game, it's hard to get. Easy to get through what I have right now. I'm being a bit greedy, aren't I? How is that guy not dead? Because he was in the cat cannon. Yes, you know that thing on top of my base? That's called a cat cannon. And the thing down there, which just went up a whole bunch, is the stamina for when I can shoot the cat cannon. I'm going to put 2 cats down because they will last a while. So, yeah. Right, I need 2 more upgrades on the bottom left. That's how I can get more money. It reduces faster money. And it gets my money. What's it again? More money for actually to fill up. I'm gonna let them chomp on it. They're gonna be 100 together. Oh no, they're not. It's not even that bad. Okay, kill them all. Kill. Now, kids, this is how you destroy them. Now that little cat's gonna go. Now this little cat's gonna go. I'm gonna just make cats just roll in. Like they own the place. Yeah, because they do own the place. Bloody da. I'm gonna get a new cat after this. It's a bit longer than these cats. I like that you can have 10 cats at once. Because when you get 6 cats, it shows you that you have a second bar. That's what I've been using, that thing what it just showed us. Their base is getting chomped on right now. Literally nothing can get past that meat shield. Except from like lots of stuff. Hashtag the big skeleton with tattoos. Don't know it's called Bahamut. I think it's something like that. Look at them getting chomped away though. That looks so cool. Imagine you was one of them little cats, not the dogs. Wait, well, I think the cats, but I call them dogs. If you was one of them, you wouldn't like it. If you was my cat here, you would love it. Pretend. Oh yeah, that's the cat. Okay, that's daily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's how you get that cat. Okay. What's... Oh. Right. One of them. What? No idea what it is. No idea what it is. Go back. I'm gonna go in store. From store. Can this stop coming up? Right. I'm gonna... No. I just go in the upgrade store. Okay. Do I have enough? No, I don't. Anyway. Let's start a new level. So let's go. Hey! I'm gonna do this. Watch this. This can be easier. Because now I have other cat. That base is a bit close to mine. Yeah, but there's gonna be snakes. Isn't there? Aren't there? There will be soon. Look how close it is to my base already. The snakes. There's snakes. Right. I'm gonna go for greedy. I'm going greedy. I'm gonna level it up once again. I'm gonna save up for the other cat. It's a good choice because that cat's basically double. Please. I need a big cat. Big cat army. Assemble! Okay, just killed all of them. Okay. Another snake sound. These little two cats can do a snake. And 4 other cats can do a snake. Yeah. Costs a lot to actually kill a snake. Right. This is gonna be hard. They're gonna beat me. They're gonna beat the wall of big cats. No. Even we're standing a lot. And then they die. That's not a lot. Whenever I can, I'm gonna do the cat cannon. Whenever I can, cat cannon. Thank you, cat cannon. For once. Now all of them die. Now some more come out. Hello, Snake. I'm gonna just level up once more. Please, can you leave me alone? So please, can you leave me alone? Please, can you leave... Cats assemble. Cats assemble. Big cat. You're great. Big cats withstand quite a lot. On this level, anyway. No, they're taking damage. No. More big cats. More will come. We need more to do this. Let's get another one. 4 big cats. Wow. I got them big and tall. Finally, I've got them away. Now, here's one. Look at the wall of big cats. They're just like, meow, 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 meow. Woo. Look at the wall of big cats. And there's another big cat coming. Hey cats, assemble. They're wrecking. Look at this. They're just like, whatever, let's just wreck these girls and boys. Anyway, how I said 2 of them could defeat a snake. It's like 10 of them could, or more. Now how when I kill something, it comes back. I wonder why that happens. Anyway, I'm getting closer to the base, which is good. Way better than I used to. No, it won't. I won't get more than these snakes. These are way good. They're not way better than our old snakes. I mean, have I been calling these cats snakes? I don't know. Probably it was just the first time. Yes, get closer to. That's close enough, thank you. That's good. I'm proud of them. A symbol of the killing of the candy floss. If it is candy floss on the top. They're so close. Look at them just wrecking this. How many's in there? How many is there? Well, I don't want to actually know. You guys might, but I know I have max money, so I'm gonna start doing this. Do more than the one cat. Oh, the first one's faster than the second one. You've almost killed the base. It's close. The little guys are fatter. Sorry if that's racist. I don't think it is. Yes, I've killed the base. It's not like I'm gonna get anything. Yeah, I didn't get any. Boring. Stay hungry, stay foolish. No one takes orders from you. Not even me. Wait. Yes, it's a faraway base. I'm gonna get all my money up in here. The cat cannon's gonna be up by the time when they get all the way over there. Can they guys hurry up? Hurry up. 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 Who knew? Them cats can go on the Great Wall of China. Who knew? Who knew that cats can go on the Great Wall of China? Is it even the Great Wall of China? Never know. Cat cannon, hurry up, hurry up. Cannon. One more and you've done it. Cat cannon, you can save my life. 3, 2, 1. Yee! Oh yeah, I killed all of them. Now they're coming back again. They're coming back again. Boom, 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 boom. They're coming back again. These snakes are so bad. As bad as I have no idea. Cat. I'm gonna make you as a meat shield. I'm gonna make 2 of them for a little meat shield. Yeah, that's gonna be a good meat shield. See, it's even wrecking this little snakey. Yeah, that's a really good meat shield to save that. That's two. Guess I'm gonna get some of these up then. I'm actually using up a lot of money. Not like I care. Snake, come over. If you don't, I'm gonna kill you. It's not like I'll not kill you. Okay, whatever, let's just fire it. Boy, 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 boy. Right. Guts! Assemble! Attack! I have no idea what to. I have no idea how to breathe. Meow, 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 I'm a cow. You vote. Hey, do you have a license for that? You never take me alive! No, mama, no! Small fan time. Why am I singing more fan time? Number two. Okay, good. Wait, that's copyright. Can you just... No, it's copyright though. YouTube, can you not delete my channel? Is this the one with the boss in it? No, it's not. Is it? Let's see. I don't think it is. If it is, I'm literally gonna die. Yes, I killed the Great Wall of China. No more shark fin. Okay. There's new cards. Is that it? Upgrade. Wait. Treasure. Is this? Can we sell these? Collect all these treasures to the money produced in battle. Collect all these treasures. Please go. I like this one better. I'm gonna try to get them. Yeah. You're quiet. Wait, special cards. Still not there. These, no, I haven't. So, yeah, this is the one with the boss. Help me now. Yeah, that's the one with the boss. Oh no. Snakes are fast in this game. Yes, I'm saying that they're slow. Because they are. I've seen a snake before. I'm gonna be like a chump and keep in the hut. Let's just get 2 of these. Let's get 3. Because that's a bit much for 2 cats. I think the bosses are not them. Not the slappy guys. What's this? Look at the little stick figure guys. They're slappy guys. Slappy, 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 slap. Slappy, slappy, slap. Am I gonna fail to this? Am I gonna fail to this? Am I gonna fail to this? Don't fail to this. I just need to keep getting cats. I have no idea. Whenever I can, I'm gonna use the cat cannon. How? Cat cannon, you're the best. Now, the boss in there isn't timed. It's how much damage you've done to the actual base. If it's called a base. Well, how much... You know how we have a cat cannon? That thing, what they have. Well, everything comes out of. The boss is in there. So, yeah. My parents are watching, what's it called again? Robot something. Right, I'm gonna start getting some stuff to come over and kill them. Now, I'm doing a good strategy. You will see. No, that's not gonna work. That's gonna work, alright. Did you just see how much damage that did? Anyway, it's like 2 hits just to kill one of them, like 2 pushbacks. Especially those guys. Yeah, they just killed their own stick figure guys. They would wreck the boss. Okay, guys, attack. I don't think they're gonna do it. Or is it how close does the cats get? I don't think it's how close. They're so close to literally... Wait for it. Is it? I'm getting a doubt if it is now. Is it there? No, it's not. Don't get me wrong, there is a boss though. I think the boss is in this one. This is definitely the boss now. Yeah, the boss is red. And this is like a red place. I'm gonna save up for the tall guy. Tall guy. Tall guy, come on! Thank you. Now I'm gonna save up for the 81. My cat's at the door. As in my door. How can I wreck them? Need another one of these. I'm gonna get as many of them as I can. Because I kind of feel bad. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Is the boss timed? Is it? Or is it how close? Or is it the health? It has to be one of them. How much did that wreck? Right. That's a really good meat shield right there. What I have. And slappers. Slappers, stop slapping. I hate them little slappers right there. They're so annoying. They're gonna kill my army. I don't think it's timed. So if it's timed, once you get to the base. I think it's health untimed. No. Please, 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 please. One more hit and it would have been dead. No. This is the boss. When it gets to 1,000, the boss comes out. Is it the boss? Is it? Oh. I think the boss comes at 650 health. Is it the boss? Or is it the boss? It's not came out yet if it is the boss. Is it the boss? Is it? No, it's not. Yeah. Don't get me wrong though, there is a boss, but where? Wait. What level is this gonna be? This is the boss. Oh, that's the boss. Board level. Don't get me wrong, it is. Don't get me wrong. Oh yeah, I put a lot of trust into you. You better help me. And do it. I think this way. If I go on missions, level up a cat to upgrade. Okay. Okay. Clear Japan in Battle Cats Rising. Okay. Right. This is the boss. If it isn't, I'm gonna literally rage. This has to be the boss. It has to be. It can't be. It has to be. I mean, it can't not be. It has to be the boss. Please be the boss. Is it timed? I hope it's not timed. What if it is? I'm just gonna get a toolcat because I really want to kill that thing right there. That's a little snake. It's gonna cause me lots of problems. Little buddy. Not my buddy. Little anemone. Great, now there's another snake and a lot more stuff. Cat Cannon, I really need you. I mean, really need you. Like, I need you as much as I need you. Thank you. Please, no, he didn't get them all though. I'm just gonna save up for the 200. They're slow though. I think I'll be able to do it, but they will hit a couple of times. Or not. Or not. Oh. Help. Slappy guys are coming. Don't get me wrong, this is a level. Wait. No. I don't want the boss already. I'm gonna get the. I'm gonna get some more money. I'm gonna regret this. Can someone kill them? Please. I'm gonna upgrade it again. And get into occupied with money. Money. Yes! Yeah, thank you. Okay, when I get enough money, I'm gonna keep sending as much as my heart desires. Oh, when we upgrade this, it gives me like some extra money and some more room of money. Oh yeah, them cats should give me good luck because I've upgraded them a bunch. Is this the boss though? I was sure that this is the boss, but if it isn't, I'm gonna end the video and make another one. Please be the boss. Or is it the just ways of them? Don't be just ways of them. I'm literally gonna cry because they are so hard. I think I'm on the right level. I'm pretty sure I'm on the right level for the bosses. I'm literally trying for them to try to die. Why can't we get through their little army shield? Finally, we've got through the army. Don't please be the boss. If it isn't again, I'm literally gonna rage. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna trust that guy from now on. So, what do I say? Bye, guys!